March ni somni pakwa sangi le somni pali khan mizo zai thiam lar le street lo Lalrindiki Khiangte Daduhi chuan Honorary Doctor of Music adong Union Bible Seminary Yangoon le IHOP University USA Tangkopin Daduhi zai rimoi lama zofa detan atho hlok em awangin he choi moina hi an hlan ani Mizoram Chief Minister Pulal du oma chuan Daduhi choi moina adong hi alompui thu Instagram lama atar langa choi moina dong phu ati thu atar lang bok ani alasak apiang larpui thei Daduhi hian audio album asiam nual to a chung album te chu ahun laya sal kalber berte an nizia alasak apiang hi ahit em zel thei khopa zai thiam mi te thin lunga tlana em reng ani
May I invite our respected President and academic dean to confer the degrees to the graduating classes.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, we will continue to our conferring degrees. May I invite the candidates of Bachelor of Ministry to rise up from your place for a moment. Mr. President, these candidates have been carefully examined and found qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Ministry. Therefore, may I present you to confer the degree of Bachelor of Ministry.
And testimony whereof, by virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Board of Trustees and the faculty of the Union Biblical Seminary, I hereby confer upon you the degree of Bachelor of Ministry.
Isaac. Lai Than Sangi. Two of another candidates are in absentia, so we will skip them.
choi moina chi sang hlan an ni a bachelor degree te le thil chi sang doctorate te po an ni a chumi jinga chuan pida dui po kha atel veniti kan hriat to kha Union Biblical Seminary Yangoon le IHOP University USA te hetiang ti na chang an hria hi aropui tak zet ani choi moina dong zong te du sakna sang ber kan hlan tak zet ani an kalzel na tura po du sakna kan hlan ai chuti rual chuan Union Biblical Seminary Yangoon le IHOP University USA te in kalzel na tura du sakna kan hlan bok chewani e IZ lama le community lama te le WhatsApp lama te Kastoria te karonda khan engwanga lange ani ti kha min ron zot le khatam takin oma athan pa a han chan neu hi alo har sathina chuwang chuan a video adong lai ngei mai le an puang lai ngei mai te po hi kalau chang renga hei hi in muatan ti in karonda le kherani ti kha kan soile du boka tin pida du hi zaya hian zofa te zinga chuan aber ni kha voitam tak alo dong to ani lelte a te po khan kan thria a Mizoram puma zai thiam ber hlanna oma khanga te po khan pakhat na ala a zofa te tan hian atho lok em ani ti kha kan soitel le du bok ani e pi Daduhi kan lompui tak zet che tuna chuan thlir le phatang
Mong mong nhẹ. No la bue tu. No tu le po. So Kim Mang Win. So John. So Patrick will receive his degree later. So Rosenbach. So Josin Win.
choi moina dong tur hian thil na mai ani lova be trang ngai chi te a oma zir trang ngai chi te po a oma talen metam tak lalpan min pe ani kan talen te tipung theu turin min du ani tin chuta chuan zirna konga te le kan thil ti na kong tin renga lotlin ilo tum phat chuan beila beinon ro ti ania chowang chuan heng choi moina dong tur hian ti tak zeta be tu ni angaya ti tak zeta be tu chuan atopa choi moina adong thin ani chowang chuan engpo ti la beidong lova bei tranga choi moina dong turin in zawa in clear tu te du sakna kalan chewa abik takin kan thalai te lama thei top zoram ta na ron chwa zel turin du sakna kalan chewani kan ngen tak zet chewani ram ta na mi tangkai lo ni la ram ta na mi poimo lo ni la midang ta na mal som na ni zel thei turin I thei top ilo chwa zel don
They
nia
have been carefully examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Arts and Master of Divinity. Therefore, may I present you to confer the respective degree to these candidates.
In testimony whereof, vested upon me by the Board of Trustees, the faculty of the Union Biblical Seminary, I hereby confer upon you the degree of Master of Arts and Master of Divinity.
Lalrindiki, Master of Arts.
kanjir laite graduate ni turte master ni turte doctorate ni turten in zawa in du sakna kan hlan chewa in thei top ramtan me puitan in tan midang tan mal som na turin thei top in lo chwa zel don nia ka channel hi min la subscribe lo tam takin lom ti ka sia kongai takin min lo subscribe vek turin ka ngen chewa chuan bel khain lo met bokanga chuan pida duipo ahun na thleng chep to a in lo en zelanga comment section khan lompuina du sakna a the piang in ron ziak vek don nia kan lo ngai chang renge in zawai chunga lom thu kan soi tak zet ani ole ilo clear zelang atop thlengin ilo clear don nia pida duite don phun po a thleng ve chep to ani ti kha kan soi non le ani ilo clear zelang
May I request the candidates of honorary doctorate degree to rise up for a moment. Honorary doctorate degrees. Mr. President, these honorary doctorate candidates have been carefully examined and found excelled in their respective ministries and field. Therefore, may I present you to confer their respective honorary degrees.
In testimony whereof, by virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Board of Trustees and the faculty of the Union Biblical Seminary in association with IHOP University, Kansas City, United States, and Online Bible College. I hereby confer upon you the honorary doctorate degree of Doctor of Music and Doctor of Divinity and Doctor of Ministry and Doctor of Human Letters.
Doctor of Music, Lalrindiki Khiangte. Doctor of Divinity, Doctor of Divinity, Miss Reverend
Ole
Bishop
tika chuan Daduhi doctorate degree, Honorary Doctor of Music tika adong ta Dr. Lalrindiki Khiangte Daduhi ti alaunita ani tuna tang chuan engpon isela hetiang ang hun thatak mai le hun lomom tak mai min petu pathian he na lom thu kan soya tin Union Bible Seminary Yangoon le IHOP University USA tangkopte inchunga lom thu kan soi tak zek bok ani tuna tang chuan Lalrindiki Khiangte Daduhi ni to lavin Dr. Lalrindiki Khiangte Daduhi ti alaunita ni Dr. Lalrindiki Khiangte ikalzel na tura du sakna kan hlan che choi moina idong hi ipu kan tia kan lompui tak zet che ani ramtan namtan lotang kai zela zona thlak ta tan i thei top chwa zel turin kan ngen che i chung te tan le midang te tan po malsom na loni zel turin du sakna kan hlan bok che ani
Reverend Jubilee Thanga. Reverend Saul Patrick. He will receive both his Master of Ministry and doctorate degrees.
He received both Master of Ministry and Doctor of Ministry. So let's applaud him.
Reverend Sumi Ang. Doctor of Humane Letters, Reverend Heli Lalrindiki. Mr. Lalrindiki. Reverend Dr. Ruth Boynam. Reverend Dr. Thong Chathang. We have some candidates in absentia In Doctor of Humane Letters, we have one in absentia, Soren Samuelson. And then we have Doctor of Divinity, two absentia in Doctor of Divinity, Mr. Reverend Yangoon and Reverend So Augustus. Reverend Yangoon is from India. He has some problems with his air ticket, so he cannot be present here today. And Reverend So Augustus is in Singapore, and he cannot participate today. So all the graduates of Honorary Doctorate, thank you so much. You may be seated.
Trying to resist the temptations of greed, laziness, pride, and envy, as they strive to do and be your best. May your grace cover their anxieties and fears so that they may stay encouraged about the future. May your Holy Spirit guide them as they unfold the next chapters of their lives. Help them to live and hope in the world and bring good things to your kingdom. And may this celebration be a reflection of the blessings that we find in knowing you and loving you. In Jesus'
Ole khati zong kha DR.Lalrindiki Khiangte Daduhi choi moina adon chungchanga video ka theyang angte karon lakhom karon da thei chu alo ni le ta a pida dui po akal zel tura du sakna kan hlanna chuti rual chuan YouTube channel lama min lo thli thin tu te ka video min lo lut sak tu thin te ka channel min lo ngai san saka min lo lut saka min lo thli sak thin tu te in zawai chunga lom thu ka soya lalpan tam takin mal som cheu sela next video kanin hule vek don nia min la subscribe lavin om chuan min lo subscribe vek turin kan som bok cheu ni e in zawai in bye bye vek ule next video kan hule vek don nia bye bye